Welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for May 2023. I invite you to join me in getting quiet and still, closing your eyes if you feel comfortable to do so, as we turn our attention away from the world around us and let our awareness go inward, feeling into this sacred time we share together. Feeling into the presence and the peace that is God. We begin this time of prayer by breathing in and breathing out, allowing our breath to help us connect with our bodies and this sacred shared time together. As we breathe in the inflow of vitality. That is a beginning point for the next divine idea. We breathe out and we breathe in and begin to know the truth of all self-sufficiency, our very source and inner resource, God. So we breathe in as peace, we breathe out as peace, and affirm, centered in God, I am secure and peaceful. As we shift our focus from outer activity to God within, our source and inner resource, we realize, we know God is peace. All concerns and cares diminish in the presence of peace. God is peace in our quiet mind and our compassionate heart. In silence, in prayer, we realize peace. As we continue to breathe in and out, we breathe in and out, recognizing divine light, and affirm, within the silence of prayer, I gain a clear sense of direction. Anytime we need greater clarity or wisdom, we turn our attention within. Centered in the silence of prayer, we open our mind to see more clearly the possibilities ahead. We open our heart to feel our way forward, relying upon the spirit of wisdom as light. We know what is ours to do. As we breathe in and out, we take in the power of divine life and affirm, by the power of divine life, I thrive. The light of divine life shines within the cells of our body and in every crevice of our awareness. The promised fullness of life is ours as we bask in the light of wholeness, vitality, strength, and well-being. God is the light of life that we realize now in the silence. As we continue together, we affirm, I welcome every blessing in a spirit of gratitude and generosity. As we reflect on the many ways our lives are blessed, we overflow with gratitude. Realizing God is the source of every creative idea, we are prosperous. We are purposeful. We are thoughtful and kind. All that we can be and all that we can do flows from the silence. My eyes can see the beautiful potential within me and all around me. By the power of faith, we have inner vision. We can see beyond appearances to the truth. We can perceive the ripened fruit before the first blossom appears on the tree. As we breathe into the silence of prayer, we are filled with faith, and we are faithful. Gently guided by easy breathing, we close this time of prayer. In the hours ahead, let us choose to be anchored in peace, wisdom, life, and faith. Let gratitude be our guide for all we will say and do next, as we conclude with the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen. Thank you.